Welcome back to Homes Inspiration Studio, the best channel for creating inspirative house ideas. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've ever looked at a city skyline and dreamed of a living space that feels both infinitely open and perfectly private, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving deep into the world of urban loft homes. We aren't just talking about old converted factories. We're looking at the new wave of architectural masterpieces that bring that loft feel to modern residential neighborhoods. We've curated a list of 10 spectacular designs that will challenge everything you thought you knew about urban living. At its core, urban loft home design is an architectural style that emphasizes open space, high ceilings, and an honest use of materials. Historically, lofts were born from the conversion of industrial buildings, warehouses and factories, into residential units. Today, the urban loft has evolved into a specific design language used for new builds. It is characterized by an open-plan interior that minimizes internal walls, allowing light to flow freely. Externally, it often features a mix of raw materials like exposed concrete, steel beams, and warm timber, creating a sophisticated balance between industrial grit and residential comfort. Choosing an urban loft design offers a level of flexibility that traditional homes simply cannot match. Because the floor plans are typically open, you have the creative freedom to redefine your living space as your lifestyle changes. A home office today can easily become an expanded dining area or a gallery tomorrow. Beyond versatility, the high ceilings and oversized windows common in loft designs maximize natural light, which is known to improve mood and make even a modest footprint feel palatial. These homes also tend to be incredibly efficient for urban lots, utilizing vertical space and creative storage solutions. From a real estate perspective, the timeless, sophisticated aesthetic of a loft-style home often holds its value exceptionally well, appealing to a wide demographic of modern buyers who crave something more unique than a standard suburban box. The secret to a stunning urban loft exterior lies in the rule of contrast. To make your home stand out, you should look to layer textures that wouldn't normally go together. Think about pairing a cold, dark charcoal render with the organic warmth of horizontal cedar slats. Lighting is your next best friend. Use integrated LED strips under overhangs or uplighting against textured walls to create a dramatic, three-dimensional look after sunset. Landscaping should remain architectural and controlled. Don't overcrowd the space with messy flower beds. Instead, use structural plants like tall grasses, palms, or manicured boxwood set against a bed of white river stones or clean concrete pavers. Finally, focus on your transparency zones. Large format glass windows aren't just for looking out. They are part of your exterior decor, revealing a glimpse of your interior style and making the house feel like a glowing lantern at night. While the industrial look remains a classic, several substyles have taken the urban loft world by storm recently. Industrial minimalist focuses on raw concrete and black steel frames, perfect for those who love a gallery vibe. For a softer approach, Scandi-Loft incorporates lighter woods, white walls, and biophilic elements like vertical gardens to bring a sense of nature into the city. If you're feeling bold, the futuristic avant-garde style uses sharp angles, cantilevers, and monochromatic white palettes to create a home that looks like a piece of sculpture. We're also seeing a massive rise in modern rustic lofts, which use traditional gabled rooflines but execute them with contemporary materials like standing seam metal roofing and oversized glass walls, blending the cozy feel of a barn with the sleekness of an urban penthouse. Enough with the theory. Let's look at the actual results. Here are the top 10 of urban lot house design styles that prove architecture is the future of housing. 1. The cantilevered minimalist. This design features a striking, floating, upper floor that creates a natural carport and a covered terrace. The dark, charcoal gray finish provides a moody, sophisticated backdrop, while the central wood-slat column adds a much-needed organic warmth. The massive glass window spanning 2 floors allows you to see the internal staircase, making the architecture itself the main decorative feature of the facade. 2. The industrial balcony loft. A perfect example of how to handle a narrow urban lot. This 2-story design uses a deep recessed balcony on the upper level to provide shade and privacy. The contrast between the light wood vertical siding and the smooth gray concrete panels gives the home a rhythmic, textured look. It's a functional design that prioritizes outdoor living even in a compact city setting. 3. The high-end executive loft. This design screams luxury through its use of premium materials. The exterior combines rough-cut stone textures with dark horizontal wooden louvers that provide both shade and a sense of rhythm. The warm, integrated golden lighting tucked under the rooflines highlights the different planes of the building, making it look like a high-end boutique hotel. 4. The modern gabled row. Who says townhomes have to be boring? These urban lofts use a classic gabled shape but modernize them with a mix of wood shingles and sleek gray siding. The black window frames and matching trim create a sharp, inked outline that makes the houses pop against the sky. It's a great way to bring character to a multi-unit development. 5. The avant-garde white loft. This home looks like it was plucked from a sci-fi movie. The brilliant white exterior and sharp, aggressive angles create a sense of movement. The house is elevated over a pristine pebble garden, and the large, open eye of the upper floor features motorized shutters that can completely change the look of the home depending on the time of day. 6. The tropical modern loft. This design is all about blending indoor and outdoor boundaries. The flat-roofed structure uses a dark gray frame to box in white and wood sections, creating a beautiful geometric puzzle. Surrounded by palm trees and a manicured lawn, the home feels like a private oasis. The large glass sliding doors ensure that the lush garden is always part of the interior experience. 7. The geometric multi-level. A masterpiece of layering, this home uses multiple cubes offset from one another to create various balconies and overhangs. The vertical glass slits and large viewing windows are placed strategically to maximize light while maintaining privacy from the street. The mix of white render and dark stone provides a clean, timeless aesthetic. 8. The glass front cubic loft. For those who aren't afraid of a little transparency, this design features a massive glass facade that puts the interior design on full display. The white frame around the upper floor creates a sense of enclosure, while the open staircase inside becomes a visual focal point. The clean, paved driveway and minimal landscaping keep the focus entirely on the building's form. 9. The ultimate entertainment loft. This home focuses on the lifestyle aspect of loft design. It features an expansive outdoor deck with an integrated fire pit, a sleek infinity pool, and multiple lounge areas. The architecture uses heavy timber beams and dark stone to create a rugged yet refined look. It's the perfect design for someone who wants their home to be the go-to spot for social gatherings. 10. The monochromatic modern farm loft. This design takes the popular farmhouse silhouette and strips it down to its most modern elements. The white brick wings are contrasted by a central black recessed entryway. The enormous grid-style windows add an industrial touch, while the symmetrical layout provides a sense of calm and order. It's a perfect bridge between traditional comfort and urban cool. Urban loft design isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice that favors light, air, and creative freedom. Whether you're drawn to the raw industrial feel of concrete and steel or the clean, futuristic lines of a minimalist white villa, there's a loft style out there that can turn your urban lot into a personal sanctuary. The key is to be brave with your material choices and always prioritize how you want to feel inside the space. If you enjoyed this tour of the top 10 urban loft designs, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studio for your weekly dose of architectural excellence. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Are you a fan of the futuristic white look, or do you prefer the warm, wood-slatted industrial vibe? Let us know in the comments below. We read every single one. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.